Hey, stop! Don't retouch like this. It's so 2020. Stay tuned and let me show you how to fix and retouch this photo instantly without using any sophisticated software. First, connect your PC to an internet source. Open your web browser and go to this website I have highlighted. Click on the Add Files icon to open this menu. Click on Add Photos and Files. Select the photo and click on Open to load it in. Make sure to write a well-organized prompt, because this is what the AI source will use to execute whatever work you ask it to do. Type the prompt here, or copy and paste the one you already wrote inside your notepad. Hit Enter or click on that icon to start. As you can see, it is analyzing the image, so be patient for the final result. Wow! There you have the image retouched nicely. Let's save it. Click on the image, move to the top, and select Save to download it onto your PC. Or click on the download icon to do so. Let's drag the saved photo into Photoshop. Use Ctrl+ to zoom in. Now you can look at the preview, the before and after. Isn't that awesome? If this helped, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on post notifications for more updates.